Pump up a 160 balloon all the way. Then make a 5-finger loop. Push the nozzle through the loop to prevent it from coming undone. Repeat these steps with 2 more 160 balloons. Then twist all 3 loops together. Braid the remainder of the balloons all the way to the end. Measure the braid around the head of the person who's going to wear it, and then twist the ends together. If you'd like to make this balloon braid crown, you will need 3 160 balloons and a balloon pump. If you'd like to order these items on Amazon, I will leave links in the description below.